summer, I was just really there. And it's dito sa Manila, like short period of time.
Ano na-realize mo while, of course, choosing to live there na? To relocate?
I don't know. I mean, life there is just so different. It doesn't mean that everybody should move to Baler with me, but parang na-realize ko na itong lugar na to, dito ako nababagay, dito ako gusto. I want my daughter to witness and to grow up in a place like this. And also, not just because of the place, the people. I've grown so close to the people who live there, and they're like my family. Especially the little kids na mahal ko. And so, why not just like build
Can you talk about the kids that you're helping there? How do you help them?
Oh, well, I have 4 kids that are dear to me. My ampons, sila Wendell. Ay, wala. Pag nandiyan lang ako, kasama ko lang sila. They stay with me. We all like stay in one place together. And I make them libre, ganon. But they're also such amazing young surfers that I do believe in. Pero gusto ko muna mag-aral muna kasi sila.
So pag-aaralin mo rin sila, hindi naman
Tutulong in a way. Pero hindi naman sa community ko sila.
Oo naman, yes.
May anak din po ako. Pero yeah, yun para sa akin lang. Gusto ko mag-focus sila. Parang also
Guidance.
You know, I would want to be the one to make sure that I take the initiative of guiding them properly to the right path, and that as much as gusto ko ipagpatuloy nila yung surfing nila, gusto ko rin sana hindi nila kakalimutan yung importance ng pag-aaral.
How did this help you detox from showbiz? Of course, from the life you used to know.
I don't know, like I went like full, I sold everything that I felt was an idea of luxury that I didn't need. I don't own
Such
cars,
as?
I don't own any designer clothes, bags, lahat ng mga pang-artistang yan, makeup, lahat yan wala na. Kahit mga kasama sa bahay, yaya, driver, wala na lahat. Talagang simple life.
Why did you opt to lead that kind of life?
Because I felt that this was one of the reasons why, or nag-contribute siya sa pagiging toxic.
Marie-condo level ba ito?
Parang ganon. Pero, oo, as in living minimally and like, hindi, kasi parang masyado akong, I was young when I entered showbiz, and I feel like it's normal for any teenager to feel lost. It's just that I was lost in front of cameras, in front of everybody's eyes. But when I grew old, became more mature, like enough to figure out what I want for myself. Na-realize ko, itong mga bagay na to, kaya siguro ako sobrang hindi naging masaya. Kasi it's not who I am. So when I let it go, that was the only time once I let it go, I found genuine happiness.
Parang hindi nakadepend sa material.
And as much as my life is probably not as extravagant, nothing close to my life before, I couldn't be any happier.
So, ano lang yung kinip mo when you decided to let go of so many things?
Yung furniture ko lang, yung gamit ko sa bahay. Yung mga hindi, siguro yung hindi magagara. Like, puro mga sapatos ko ngayon, parang puro sneakers, rubber shoes na lang, pantalon, t-shirt, bathing suit.
So curious lang, since you're living a simpler life, what do you do na ginagawa ng ordinary tao? Like, do you commute?
Yeah, I commute. I commute in Manila. And it's so hard. Grab. My God. Step your game up.
So I'm sure napapansin ka ng mga tao sa pag-race.
I say hi. Or actually, most of the time, people don't. Hindi sila sigurado kung ako ba talaga. Okay, so problema. Bahala ka na.
How does your daughter take this?
It's fun. I mean, I feel like Jake and I are a good team. Parang we're not a good couple. Pero as a partner, as co-parents, feeling ko sobrang unconsciously, it's really working so well for us. Kasi, I mean, I feel like Ellie's so lucky that she gets the best of both worlds. Like, her dad is so focused on her being responsible sa school, na healthy siya, ganyan. Not that I don't, it's just that si Jake yung mas ganun. Tapos ako, wala. I'm able to introduce to her the idea of simple life and knowing that when it comes to attaining success or figuring out what you want to do with your life, ang mahalaga lang, masaya ka. Yun lang. Kahit anong mangyari, ang importante, masaya ka. So kahit ano pa yan, anak, okay lang. Basta masaya ka.
Yung house mo sa Baler, yan, binili mo na yon.
Ano po, pinapatayo po. Lupa lang po yung pinili ko, tapos pinapatayo, pero somewhat like, I'm gonna do it myself.
So, will it be a
The
simple
finishes.
house?
Opo, simple lang po talaga. Maliit lang siya na bahay, pero malaki lang yung garden. Tapos ako na yung
Karpintero.
magpa-plant ng sarili ko.
Totoo, you'll help build your house.
Yeah, like just the finishes. Kasi yung mga
Of course.
Ano reaction ng mom mo sa pag-stay mo sa
hindi ko alam kung naniniwala yung nanay ko sa Nanay ko lang, mo, tapos pag uwi kami maampun na ako. Sabi niya, okay, pero, well, she's just supportive. She wants me to go back to showbiz. Tawag lang siya ng tawag. Ano, ready ka na ba bumalik? Nay, okay lang po ako. Nay, kayo pa.
Thank you.
Oo, pero
Ellie? I don't have a partner. I'm
Single right
single.
now. Okay, that's nice.
Happy and single.
Happily single, yes. Happily single.
so,
By choice.
By choice.
So ito ngayon, at least now, you get to choose what projects you want to do. Hindi na kailangan. Hindi yung, ito kailangan gawin.
Kailangan mo gawin para sa... Opo, I mean, wala naman, parang I don't think I'm in the proper position to choose my projects. Pero siguro yung tipong kapag ka ma-offeran ako, sana, or maybe this is me allowing me to let people know kung ano talaga yung, parang siguro this way, mas pinapakilala ko na yung sarili ko sa kung sino talaga ako. So yung mga projects sa papasok, parang hopefully, naiintindihan na nila or nakikita nila kung sino na ako, so yung ibibigay nila yung para talaga sa akin.
So kumbaga, na-enjoy mo yung pagiging freelance artist.
Opo, na-enjoy ko po siya talaga. At saka, nung busy po kasi ako sa pag-aartista, nalimutan ko na yung mga totoo kong pangarap, katulad ng pag-surf at pagiging isang writer. I always talk about wanting to be a filmmaker, and then, but I focused so much on being in front of the cameras. Sana magka-chance ako na.
Ano na yung status ng script na ginagawa?
Super ano pa lang, as in like 20%. Kasi pabago yung isip ko. Tapos my friends tell me, okay lang yan, first time mo yan, tsaka passion project. Just like, get it known.
Meron ka bang meron kang parang pattern doon sa paggawa mo ng script? Meron kang tech?
Meron po, kung kilala niyo po si Taika Waititi, yung director po ng Thor Ragnarok. So, just like him, I want to be able to tell stories about real life in the Philippines, especially in the province. In the provinces, since we don't get to shed light on the people that live and build and have lives there. But also at the same time, show that these situations, although they might be serious, it doesn't have to be sad. So I'm into writing comics.
So,
What about your Andi,
ito,
what about
as-
your friends?
My friends.
In showbiz?
Like, not really. Parang to me, it's like yung real friends mo, they're going to be there no matter what. Some of my friends, old friends, still visit me in Baler. They go with me to Baler, ganun. Or they call me when I'm here. But they're like, sila Yasi, ganyan. Never, they're the ones who never forget to give me a call and ask me. And I'm really grateful for that.
Yung tinitirhan mo ngayon, ano yun? You're renting it?
Yes, for now po.
Hanggang matapos yung house.
Do you feel like you want to influence also other artists to be less, to go minimalist?
Hindi naman. It's not that I wanna influence people to do the same. Kasi kanya-kanya, iba-iba naman tayo. Parang ayoko naman pakialaman yung trip ng mga iba, di ba? Pero para sa akin, yun lang talaga. Yung sa akin lang, kung hindi ka masaya, huwag mo ipilit. Huwag mo ipilit na yung sarili mo sa isang bagay na hindi na nakakapagpasaya sa'yo. Para sa akin ang importante.
So, hindi ka na rin open sa like halimbawa yung mga kuyatan ng mga like halimbawa yung mga soap.
Sa ngayon po, medyo, syempre gusto ko po. Pero ang hirap lang po kasi sa akin yung araw-araw. Tapos hindi ko na nakikita yung anak ko. So, yun, actually, parang, in short, parang siguro, ano ko lang, parang madaling salita. Yun yung ayoko na part. Like, game ako parang yung sinabi ni Pat kanina, like, game naman ako magtrabaho eh, pero pag di mo kasi dati, tapos ikaw pa yung nagkakamali, pag, ano yun, yun lang yun.
Pasad mo yung...
Rating 100% your hiding happiness mo. Nasa
100%. Kasi meron man akong clear grasp na ang mundo at ang buhay ay hindi perfecto. Kontento ako. At yun lang ang importante.
aside from being a writer, you like what you're doing right